All right, friends, so you should be on page 222 in your math notebook. We are going to use our math toolkit for this first part using our base 10 blocks to model our problem, and then we'll draw quick pictures to match it. So Mr. Riley's class collected 54 cans for the food drive. So let's make 54. Miss Bright's class collected 35 cans. So let's create 35. All right, so remember, we do want to check first if we can make a 10. So let's see. To make 4 a 10, I need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't have enough. To make 5 a 10, I would need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have enough, so I can't make a 10, so I'm not going to have to regroup in this one. So now I'm just going to figure out how many 10s I have and how many 1s. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 10s. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1s. Or sorry, 9 1s, 8 10s. So I have 8 10s and 9 1s. So let's go ahead and draw a picture to show what we did real quick. So we'll redraw our 5 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and our 4 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll redraw our 3 10s, 1, 2, 3. And our 5 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we had 9 1s, and here we had 8 10s. So total, it was 89, right? Because that's 8 10s and 9 1s. Good. Put your toolkit away. And then now we're going to turn to page 223, and we're going to practice just drawing out our models. Instead of focusing on using the blocks, because we won't always have the base 10 blocks, we're going to focus on making our own pictures. So step 1, model 37 plus 26. So to model 37 plus 26, then what we do is we draw it out. So we do 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and then 26. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So we have our model here. We want to see if we can make a 10. So if I want to make 7 1s into a 10, I have to add 3 1s. Well, looks like I have more than 3 here. So we're going to go ahead and add those 3 1s together. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means that these can become a 10. So remember what I said, when we take away this 10, it doesn't exist over here anymore. And we want to make sure this matches on our algorithm here. So because we added this 110 right here, we have to write 1 right here. Because now instead of having 3 10s plus 2 10s, we have 1 10 plus 3 10s plus 2 10s, which is the same as you see here, 1 plus 3 plus 2. So 1 plus 3 will get me 4, and then 4 plus 2 more will get me 6. And then we have the 3 1s we left over right here to have our 3 in the 1s place. So our total is 63. So, kind of like we did yesterday, but instead now we're going to be making our own picture. So go ahead and turn the page to 224. We're going to try a couple together, and then I'm going to have you try a couple on your own. So it says, draw quick pictures to help you solve. Write the sum. And we want to model what we're doing in our picture the same on here. So we need to model 26, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And notice how I'm setting these up. I'm doing rows of 5. That way I can easily see, as if it was a 10 frame, how many more I need to make 10. And then we have 32. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So first I have to check, can I make a 10 in the 1s place? So remember how we kind of covered this up last time? So let's cover this up again. We're not going to worry about our 10s right now, but we are going to worry about our 6 and our 2. So in order to make 6 a 10, I have to add 4 more, but I don't have 4 right here. I only have 2. So that means that I just have to add these together. So let's see, we have 6, 7, 8. So total we have 8 ones here. So we don't have to regroup on this one. So we're not even going to worry about this box up here because we didn't have to regroup any ones to make a 10. So now we just have to look at our 10s and add our 2 plus our 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. So our total is 58. Let's do another one together, and then I'm going to have you guys try a couple on your own. So we have 58, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. And again, notice how I'm drawing these. I'm doing rows of 5. That way I can easily tell how many more I need to make a 10. Then I have 24, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I have 8 here. I need 1, 2 more to make a 10. And look, I have 2 right here that I can go ahead and add. So I'm going to cross out these 10 ones because these are now going to become 110. Now because I added a 10 right here, I have to write that 110 in up here. Because this 110 still has to be part of our equation. Now that being said, I'm not done with my ones column. I still have to write down the 2 ones that I left behind. So there's 2 ones left behind. 10 of those ones moved over to the 10 side. So now I have to do 1 plus 5 plus 2. So I know 1 plus 5, or these ones right here, get me 6, 7, 8. So my answer is 82. So really simple, same thing as we did yesterday, but instead of having the picture drawn for us, now we're in charge of drawing the picture. So you are going to go ahead and try number 3 and 4 on your own, and then I want you to enter your answer, or put your answer in on the Nearpod, and that means showing your model and showing your work on your algorithm.